Hi everyone, welcome back to Queen Jasmine's kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make white egusi soup, a lighter, delicious twist on the classic Nigeria favorite. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now let's talk about the ingredients we will need to make this delicious white egusi soup. Here is what we've got. My chicken. You can use whatever protein you prefer. My fresh ice fish, my crayfish of course to enhance the taste, and most importantly my pepper soup spice, my Blatete leaf, my salt, my chicken spice and my seasoning cube. So we are making use of our Abanaro pepper. You can get it at your local market. And of course the star of the dish, our melon seeds, popularly known as your egusi. So with this simple yet flavorful ingredients, you are all set to make an amazing soup. Let's get started. So I'm going to start by roasting my egusi. This process is very important for this recipe. When you notice your egusi has become golden brown as mine in the video, then it is ready. So next, place your cleaned meat in a pot, add your seasoning cubes, your salt, your pepper, and then cover the pot and cook on low to medium heat. The meat will release its natural juices as it cooks. Don't forget to stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. So once the juices are released, add a small amount of water to help the meat cook thoroughly and create a rich stock. Let it simmer until the meat is tender, then set aside. Now we are ready for the next step. So I added 1 cup of water offline and cooked my meat. Now this is my meat stock and I'm going to be adding my Abanaro pepper and leave to boil for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to be adding my crayfish, my pepper soup spices and my chicken spices. Then I'm going to allow to simmer for 2 minutes. Add in your roasted melon, stir and leave for 5 minutes to boil.
Five minutes later.
Next, I'm adding my fresh ice fish and my Blatete leaf. So at this junction, you can test for your salt or your seasoning cube. And then leave to boil for 3 minutes. And at this point, our soup is ready. So you can pair yours with your eba, your pounded yam, or your fufu. But in this video, I'm going to be pairing mine with my fufu. Thank you for watching today's video on how to make your white egusi. We appreciate you tuning in. Glad you joined us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Try yours and let us know how it came out in the comments below. Bye.